Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage audio and subtitles settings on a Netflix PC app. So in here, I've already opened the Netflix apps on my computer. If you want to go to the settings, you can just access it by putting the cursor to your photos in here, and you'll see to the drop down, and then just tap on account. Here you can just scroll down until you find the edit settings option. So by going to this, you can edit the languages, subtitles, autoplay, notifications, privacy, and more. So let's tap on it. Okay, first I'm going to show you how you can change the subtitle appearance. So what you need to do is just click on this to customize the way subtitle appear. Click on it. Here on the subtitle appearance settings, you can see the preview of these subtitles, and if you want to modify it, you can modify the font. You can change the text size. So the current text size on my subtitle is medium. You can also add shadow if you want to, and you can change the color of the shadow and also the main font. And here, let's say I'm going to change the font into, let's say, this one, print. I'm not going to change the color and the drop shadow. So you can just tap on save to save the changes that you made. Okay, so it will be saved or updated. But when you want to change the audio settings, you can do it directly while you're watching the shows or movies on Netflix. You can change the audio settings. For example, you want to change the audio into another language. Let's say that the original audio is in Korean. You can change it into English, Japanese, Indonesian, or other languages that you want and available on Netflix. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.